Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about structures in AVEVA PDMS. In the previous video, we have learned to create these columns and beams and we have created this base structure for our practice. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to make a 3D structure, so we need multiple points of these, say this same structure. So how to copy this? So if you go to create and copy, that will only allow you to copy only one part, okay, or one column or one beam. So for that you have an option called list. Okay, so we will create one list. Okay, say base as our list. Okay, and we will add the identified columns and beams into that list, and we will use this same list to make a copy. Everything is added in my list. Okay, I will just close it, save it, and then close it. And then what you can do is you can go to create copy offset, and in this objects we will go for list. Okay, so that will select the current list. You can check the directions. We want to copy in x directions. Let us say we want 3 copies, and in distance x I will put 4000. So every time it will create one copy for 4000. Okay, we don't want 3 because 3 will not count the original, so total there will be 4. I don't want that to be 4, so I will just say no there. You can go with 2, so that will be 1 original plus 2, that is total 3, and instead of 4000 I will go with 5000. Confirmation, yes, dismiss. So this is how you can create multiple copies of a same structure. Now it is not going to be, it is not visible, so I can just create a zone and make it limit option so that everything will be visible. Okay, so this is how we basically create copies of a section. Now let us say we want to join this. So what the option which we have is you can always go with we are already in beams, so you can just select beam as your surface storage area and you can start creating sections. Okay, so let us say I want to start from this point to this point, except one beam will be created and I can keep on going. Create section straight this point. Confirmation I will just put off so that every time it will not ask. So I can keep on going like this one by one, or else what I can do is I can go with create sections straight. I will select this first point, just make a perfect zoom, and then I will directly go for the end point instead of the center section. Okay, I will make that, and then I will go for, this is going through, so I want to trim this, so then I will go for the trim option. So I will go to modify section, you can go to split section. Okay, split option is available. Select add current element, the element will be added, then pick sections to split on. Okay, trimmed option, and I will just pick this section to be trimmed with respect to this. Okay, just a second. Pick section to split, this I want to split with respect to this. Okay, then you can go for split and both the sections will be separate. So I will just add this in current element, pick selection, split using this, and the sections will be separated. First section, second section, two different sections. Same way, first section, second section, two different sections which we have created earlier. So similarly, what you can do is you can go on creating different sections and trim those sections as required. Okay, so that will complete your structure. I am just creating one more sections, say from this point. This is my start point, this is my end point. I'm just keep on creating a section. Okay, so I don't have any line there, so I'm just selecting this as a start point, this as an end point. So basically, if you have observed, I am dragging my mouse cursor inside, so I will just show you that also in straight. If you want to select this point, just click outside and drag your mouse, and that will highlight your different sections. See, there is a point at the center, that is NA point for that section, that will be highlighted. Top of the steel also highlighted, left point is also highlighted. So every time there is a plus symbol, that means that point is getting highlighted. Okay, now there are modify sections, split current element. I will select this, add current element, pick sections. I will pick this section and split. Simply I will go to current element, select that current element, go to pick split, select this, trim, split. So these are the two different sections, these are the two different sections, these are the split sections which we have created. Okay, so this basically creates your base structure. We will use this base structures to create different things. Okay, so in the coming video I will show you how this position control will give you more options to select multiple points on your structure. Okay, so we will go for that in the next video about the position control options which you have. I will just show you that option. So you have a lot of options to select, a lot of snap points, distance, midpoint, fraction. We will check that in detail. So those are the also options which are available to select different entities, position control. Okay, so this is how we have made this structure. In the coming videos we will be discussing about various bracings which you can create in the same structure. Okay, so that is the next part which we are going to discuss in the coming videos. So if you like this content, do share my channel, follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends. uh, that is what I want to discuss in this video. Thank you for joining.